morning, students of class 11th. I am Dr. Anna Muji from Marwadi College. This is my 14th lecture session of with you. Today we are going to discuss role of psychology in society or in our life. Okay? चलिए आज हम लोग देखते हैं रोल ऑफ साइकोलॉजी इन सोसाइटी। हमारे सोसाइटी में साइकोलॉजी का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है, क्या रोल है। साइकोलॉजी इज़ द स्टडी ऑफ पीपल्स बिहेवियर, परफॉर्मेंस एंड मेंटल ऑपरेशंस। इट ऑल्सो रिफर्स टू द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द नॉलेज which can be used to understand events, treat mental health issues and improve education, employment and relationship. Psychology allows people to understand more about how the body and mind work together. दोनों साथ काम करता है. This knowledge can help in decision making and avoiding stressful situations. It can help in time management, setting and achievement goals and living effectively. The science not only allows people to the more successful, but it can also impact their health. It helps many tackle their mental illness so that they can continue living their lives. Okay? Psychology is the study of the human mind and behavior, and as such plays a number of important roles in modern society. Psychology helps people with a variety of mental health conditions. It also helps business टारगेट कंज्यूमर्स. ओके, ये अब हम देखते हैं कि किस किस फील्ड में साइकोलॉजी का इम्पोर्टेंस है, उसका रोल है हमारे रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में. नंबर 1, दिस इज़ द नंबर 1 पॉइंट, द बिल्डिंग ऑफ रिलेशनशिप. Psychology makes it easier to live with others by understanding them more and working with their behavior. Number 2, improving communication. Communication में किस तरह वो हमारी मदद करता है. A greater understanding of how humans think and behave will help people communicate better. They will he more effective in understanding what a person really means by gestures and action. Number 3, building self-confidence. By understanding more about yourself and your personality, you can gain more self-confidence. You will learn more about your weaknesses and can build on them. And last 4, enriching careers. You will be able to understand your co-worker more and find a better chance of building friendships. It helps to deal with their action to enrich your career. Challenges in normal life situations like relationships, mental disorders, bereavement and choosing career can affect anyone in the society. The increasing number of senior has led psychologists and other health practitioners to become more knowledgeable about the needs of the elderly. So this aging population can receive appropriate therapy and support. Psychologists are therefore needed to help people bounce back to their normal life functioning. साइकोथेरेपिस्ट क्या करते हैं, फिर से किसी भी मेंटल डिजीज़ से ग्रस्त रोगी को अपने नॉर्मल लाइफ में लाने में मदद करते हैं और पहले की तरह उनकी लाइफ हो जाती है. लेकिन psychology as a science or profession has not played a significant role in the historical evolution of industrialized countries. It is further argued that the problems of developing countries are basically political and economic, and to psychologists might be both unproductive and immoral. It is suggested that psychologists might do a better service by studying ways and means of changing the behavior of people who control the material resources of the world. ओके आज हम लोगों ने यहाँ तक देखा. दैट ऑल फॉर टुडे. ओके, थैंक यू.